Mall of America. That's the place to shop. I'm going shopping now, man. Shit. Gotta make that money. Gotta spend it. Get out of my way. Fuck. It's time to shop. This is Augustine, man. You know how we do it. Welcome to Mall of America. You dumbass don't know this is the best mall in the whole world. I'm trying to get to. There you go. Parking. I gotta go park somewhere. Freaking dumbass light. Hate that light. Hate it. There you go. That's the main entrance. Mall of America. The best place. I shop. Right after I cash my check. You know how we do? We work, we spend it. That's American life, right? Right or wrong? I know I'm right. That's for sure. So that's the front entrance of Mall of America. So look, this is beautiful. There's not even a lot of people yet. The shopping didn't start yet. Damn. I gotta shop bad, man. I gotta go. Fuck, you better hurry up. I'll run you over. Ha. Okay, now what? Okay. I think I gotta go park. This is the highway. You gotta go park from here. Right there. Yeah, right there. Man, I can't wait to start shopping. Fuck, it's Friday too. Weekend. God, this is so cool. Fucking taxi, man. Again? I'm gone. Fuck. Straight up. Yeah, man, this is Augustine, man. You're watching my video. This is Mall of America. You know how we do. Come on, people, drive. Now go. God. Alright. It's gonna be fun here. Trying to get a parking, but I think all is full. That BMW in front of me. Come on, dummy chip, go. There you go. Getting the parking is hard. Freaking hard, man. Alright, people, I gotta go park. See you back to shop. See you back to the shopping. Let's go shop. Shopping. Right on. Bye.